So today we are going to begin a new chapter in English language, chapter 15. Chapter name is can, may, should and must. So first of all, let's see what are the modal verbs. Now modal means helping verbs. So let's see what are the helping verbs. Can, could, may, might, will, shall, would, should, must and ought. These are the helping verbs. We use these verbs when we speak in English. Okay, remember. So today let's learn about this modal verbs. When we have to take permission or give permission. Okay. Even when we take permission from others, may I use your pen? So I'm taking permission from others. So I'm using may I use your pen? Can, may, could, you have been using from your childhood. I know. For example, when you are in the school, you say, may I come in, ma'am? When you go to meet principal, you say, may I come in, sir? Or when you go to meet your class teacher in the staff room, you say, may I come in, ma'am? That means we use can and may when we seek permission from others. If they say yes, then you go inside. If they say no, then you cannot enter inside the classroom or anywhere else. So let's study in detail where to use can, may, should and must. We usually ask for permission to enter into the classroom. So remember, we use may. Okay, and if I am giving you permission, come in, then only you can come inside the classroom. If I say no, then you cannot come inside the classroom. So we use can I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? May I come in, ma'am? So remember, we use can and may for giving permission. Now let's see on the blackboard what I am going to teach. So can, I said can we use for permission, giving permission. So can suggests the ability to do something. That means can suggests the ability to do something. That means possibility which can be done. For example, permission. So when asking permission, I am asking permission with my class teacher, with anybody else. I am asking, may I go for the picnic? Or when I am asking from my parents, or when you are asking from your friends or from your parents, so they say, you are saying, may I go for the picnic? But they will say, no, you may not go. That means refusing permission, means not giving permission to go for the picnic. So remember,